because I heard when she was 13, she went up to a mountain, very on brand.
We are on Sugarloaf Mountain, technically the tallest point in Florida. I think the elevation is only like 300 something feet. This is the view. There's a lake out there. You take a picture of it?
No, I'm getting your reaction.
There's the hat! There's the sombrero! Look, Henry! There's Self for the Border! Woo! It's so beautiful. Look at it. It's in the middle of nowhere. Henry, you excited? Want to go to the top of the sombrero? I almost crashed my drone in the top of the sombrero.
My husband is a wackadoodle.
Self for the Border! We're going to Self for the Border! Finally, this is the whole reason I want to go on this vacation. Just to go back. Well, it's the second to last day on the trip, and we finally made it. South of the border. A destination stop here at 95. All of us have to check out south of the border at least once. This is Henry's first time. Yeah, I have many episodes of this vlog of us stopping here, but we're gonna go in there real quick before we go to our final destination tonight. Not a fan?
Can you leave it on for 1 second?
Ready? Say cheese. Got it. Oh man's first time at South of the Border. So excited. Alright, so we're not going to do too much of a video here. We're just going to show it around a little bit. You can see plenty of other videos on the site of South of the Border. We'll put the links in the bottom. But we're just stopping real quick because little man has not seen South of the Border before.
Look at Daddy.
Say hi.
Say hi.
Say hi. And we are heading off to our hotel tonight in North Carolina. So we'll take over from there. I'm not having a chili dog tonight because so long, South of the Border. Till our next adventure. All right, what's up, everybody? So we just left South of the Border a couple hours ago. We made it to our first stop, or I guess our last stop of the night. We are staying in Durham, North Carolina. This was also another video we did. Actually, it was on the same trip as the South of the Border. So if you're watching the old South of the Border adventure we went on a little while ago, we also stopped here in Durham, North Carolina. And it's cool because actually this hotel we're staying at, I can't really see it here, is right next to the baseball stadium. So in theory, next time I come here for a baseball game, I will probably stay here, considering I can literally walk, 30 feet to the stadium. But we're here for the night. It was a 14-hour day. We left at 6 a.m. in Fort Myers, and we got here. It is 8 p.m. a little after 8:30 right now. We're all checked in the room and stuff. We're getting everyone dressed, and we're gonna head over and grab some dinner and relax for the night. And most likely to not be back on the road around 6 o'clock tomorrow too. So actually I gotta run into the car right here and grab Henry's jacket. All right, back in the elevator. Yeah, got the jacket, we're good to go. The place we're eating is the Mellow mushroom, about a block away. Have some pizza, go back to the room, relax a little bit. So overall, pretty cool, nice location, nice hotel. So I know this video is a little screwy. We started in Fort Myers and now we're here, so thank you for following along with us. So it's the end of the trip, things are kind of chaotic. You stay in Fort Myers, we spent most of the day with family, so we're not really videotaping. So we don't have much from the last day in Florida, but you know, we have all the everything in between. So this may be the end. If it's not, you'll include tomorrow. If it's not, you get more. If it is the end, you get another video coming. So it's a win-win situation. Woo. North Carolina, another state down for Mr. Henry. He's a little grumpy, but I understand why. It's been a long day for him. Long day for all of us. Finally made it here though. We're more than halfway home. And we'll be home tomorrow.
Yay.
Probably a little earlier than this time. Around 7:30 would be nice. I don't think we get any stops along the way tomorrow. We're just going to head home. Right now, we're going to check out the baseball stadium. Like I said, this stadium was already documented on one of our prior videos. But we'll see it right now before it gets ready. Season starts next week here for the Durham Bulls, AAA affiliate of the defending American League champions, Tampa Bay Rays. And also the theme of that movie, Bull Durham. Awesome. So I guess we did see a baseball game after all in spring training.
Like old and bringing back to life.
Well, that's kind of what this town was. This was an old tobacco town.
Yeah, but this one's everything's new.
Yeah, so this... Alright, now we're gonna get some pizza at the Mellow Mushroom. I said it right? Mellow Mushroom, right?
Yeah.
I've been saying marshmallow all day. Oh, what's wrong with me? Alright, so we get to check out this part. Eric and I didn't check this out last time we were here. This is right across the street from the stadium where the Mellow Mushroom is. So we're kind of checking. Everything's closed now, but this will take us right to our hotel. Boop, boop. Going back to the hotel. These old factory buildings. That's kind of cool. Reminds me of like Lowell a little bit, kind of the way the buildings are. There's a Lucky Strike down there. It's the American Tobacco Historic District. Hey, Joe. Yeah. Alright, so we are home. We got home around 8 o'clock tonight. Made a pretty good time. But yeah, so that was the trip. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe. As the weeks go on, we'll probably go over a little bit of the trip a little bit more. But for the most part, there you go. So thank you guys for watching. See you. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and click the alarm so whenever you get notification, we get new ones. See you later. Bye.